In Callaba, you can set up your recording so that you can download the file while it's still being recorded. This is possible using a growing MKV file, which allows each chunk of data to be added without closing the file. Let's get started. First, set up the stream that you'll be recording. Next, let's configure the recording settings. Go to the recording section and create a new recording task. Give your task a name. Set your incoming stream as input. In the output format, select Growing MKV file. Adjust other settings as needed. Save your settings and you're good to go. The recording has started. Now, let's open the file folder. Notice that the Download button is active. You can download the file anytime without stopping the recording. Let's do it. Okay, the file has been downloaded. Let's check it out. I've downloaded about 30 seconds of a test video, but my recording is still ongoing. When you're ready to stop the recording, simply select the process and click Stop. That's it. You've successfully recorded and downloaded your video using a growing MKV file in Callaba.